Okay, now I'm going to take a few minutes to explain to you another multiplication strategy that you can use. It's called the FOIL method. FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last. We use this method to work with two double-digit numbers. The example that I have right here is going to be 45 times 22, and I drew this box. All students will need to draw a box. This problem also, or this strategy also includes expanded form. So what we're going to do is start with the first number on this side. If we were to expand 45, it would be 40 plus 5. So I'll write that down here. 40 plus 5. And you represent that on the box by the top box, putting a 40 right here and a 5 down at the bottom. Okay. Then we do our next problem. We break down 22. That's our next number. So we'll break down 22, and that would be 20 plus 2. And you represent that across the top. So it would be the same. 20 plus 2. Okay? I'll put a plus. Then what we're going to do is use these boxes as a grid to figure out how we're going to multiply the numbers together. So for this box, we would multiply the 40 times the 20, which would be 800. So we'll put an 800 in there. For this box over here, we would multiply the 40 times the 2, because the 40 is what's on the side of the box and the 2 is what's on the top. 40 times 2 is 80. Down here, this would be our 5 times 20, because the 20 is on top of the box and the 5 is on the side. That gives us 100. And then down here we have 5 times 2, because 5 is what's on the side of this box and 2 is what's on the top of this box. 5 times 2 is 10. Then we're going to add all 4 of these numbers together. So we have 800 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10. Okay? See how I did that? We're going to start down here. Zeros added together give us a 0. Then in our tens column, we have 8 plus 9, which would be 17. We put a 7, and we'll carry the 1 to the top. And then in our hundreds column, we have 8 plus 1, but we carried another 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9, and then because we carried a 1, it would be 10. So our answer to this question, or to this multiplication problem, is 1070.